Okay, students, let's start number 4 interrogative pronouns. So, these are very easy words, those ask questions. Example who, whom, whose, what, which. So, I'm taking one example. To whom did you give the packet? Okay. Difference between interrogative pronoun and interrogative adjectives. So, this is important. You may confuse. Example whose book is this? So here whose, it is not interrogative pronoun, it is interrogative adjectives because it qualify means tells us more about noun. क्वालिफाई करता है ये नाउन को, और नाउन क्या है? बुक. सो जब भी हमारे पास नाउन हो एकदम नेक्स्ट वर्ड इंटेरोगेटिव के बाद, तो हमें देखना है कि वो इंटेरोगेटिव प्रोनाउन है या इंटेरोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव. सो हेयर इट इज़ नॉट इंटेरोगेटिव प्रोनाउन, इट इज़ एडजेक्टिव. And exercise D, see the description box. Next, reflexive pronoun. Words those reflect upon or go back the subject are non-reflexive pronoun. I'm taking one example. He hurt himself accidentally. So himself is reflexive here. But here are some more example. Myself, ourselves, yourselves, herself, itself, themselves. Okay. But one more thing you have to remember, if reflexive pronouns are left out from a sentence, the sentence would not or would still make sense. Means, in a sentence, if you are searching or want to circle a reflexive pronoun, two things you have to see. One, either it would not make any sentence if we remove reflexive pronoun from the sentence, or it may still make sense. I'm taking one example. I hurt myself. So if we left out myself, the sentence will be I hurt. So it is not making any sense. So it is reflexive pronoun. But at the same time, in second example, you can see I made the pie myself. So if we left out myself, the sentence will be I made the pie, which is giving full sense. So in reflexive pronoun, both rules apply at the same time. It will give you proper sense after leaving out, or it may not, giving complete sense. Next one, we have emphatic pronouns. These are reflexive pronouns which are used for emphasize. Means emphatic pronouns are totally like, these are the forms of reflexive pronouns. We can say that these are the same. Only one difference is there, which is very important. I'm going to share with you. So emphatic means emphasize. It's okay. No need to cram it. ये simple है एकदम. But main thing you have to focus. If emphatic pronouns are left out from a sentence, the sentence would still make sense. Means emphatic are those reflexive pronouns which only make sense. Means in this we are saying that second example is only emphatic. So example 2 is emphatic, but both 1 and 2 are reflexive. Okay, so I'm taking again this, I myself cooked the meal. If left out myself, I cooked the meal gives you proper sense. So this is the main difference you have to learn. See the description box for exercise E. Then we have relative pronouns. Relative pronouns used to join a phrase or a clause. Phrase or clause in a sentence. उनको जोड़ता है ये. Example who, whom, whose, which, that, as. अब देखिए who, whom, whose interrogative भी है. go back. Interrogative, you can see who, whose, which. Interrogative also na, but this who and relative who both are totally different, so be careful. The rule is correct use of relative pronouns. So this is very easily described in book New Mastering Grammar, page number 34. You can see correct use of relative pronouns table from there. I didn't copy here, no need. But मेनली रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन क्या करता है, फ्रेज और क्लोज को ज्वाइन करता है, तो वो आपने देखना है, ये क्वेश्चन आस्क नहीं करता, ठीक है। और इंटेरोगेटिव में क्या था हमारे पास, वो क्वेश्चन आस्क करता है, तो देयर इज अ डिफरेंस। अब क्या है हमारे पास, पोजीशन ऑफ रिलेटिव प्रोनाउंस, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। द रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन शुड बी प्लेस्ड नियर द नाउन और प्रोनाउन इट रेफर्स टू। मीन्स जो रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन है ना, उसको कहाँ पर आपको रखना है, दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। और वो कहाँ होना चाहिए, या तो नाउन के आसपास होना चाहिए या प्रोनाउन के आसपास होना चाहिए। नाउन तो वही नेम ऑफ द पर्सन, थिंग, एनिमल, थिंग, एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन, ऑल दिस, एंड प्रोनाउन ही, शी, इट, आई, वी, दे, वो वाले, ठीक है। अब क्या है, अदरवाइज द सेंटेंस वुड नॉट मेक सेंस। अगर आप पोजीशन गलत कर दोगे रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन की, तो सेंटेंस कोई सेंस नहीं देगा आपको। एग्जाम्पल देखिए, वी विच वॉज फुल ऑफ गॉट इन टू ए बस। अब वी प्रोनाउन है यहाँ पर, फिर उसके बाद वी विच वॉज फुल ऑफ पीपल गॉट इन टू ए बस, रॉन्ग ना। बट वेन वी करेक्ट इट, वी गॉट इन टू अ बस, कोमा, which was full of people. Now it is correct. And which is relative pronoun here. Which is, I'm gonna underline this. So this is relative pronoun. Okay, and for exercise, see the description box. Okay, bye bye, stay tuned.